Hello and welcome to Big Tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a website using HTML and CSS. I have created a folder, and inside my folder there's three types of file. The first one HTML, the second one is our image that we are going to be using as a background, and the third one is CSS, cascading style sheet. HTML means hypertext markup language. So I have opened my Visual Studio Code. It's a text editor, and I have opened the both files where I've located it. And the first thing, I will write an emit, enter, and let me rename the document to website, and let me attach the file with style. So link CSS. Style is a default name of a CSS. So the first thing we need to create is our menu. With Ctrl S, let me drag it to open it in browser, and our title has been changed because this is the title attribute. The first thing we need to create is menu, nav, unordered list, or list, and hyperlink. So if you click on this text, it will directly send us somewhere. That what hyperlink do. And let me put a home, and shift alt press down 4 times. Oh sorry, 5 times. Sorry, 4 times. The second one will be gallery. The third one will be recipe, and the fourth one will be login. Then Ctrl S, save it and reload it. Ctrl R. So as you can see, there's 4 text here, and we'll be styling this. We are going to be creating these 4 text into a menu. So let me go to style CSS, and star means universal selector, third bracket, margin 0, and padding also 0. And let me create a header here. Header, we will name it to big tutorial, and here I'm going to show you the first thing we need to create is nav. So nav, third bracket, display flex, and so let us make it to center, align, center, and justify, content also center, space around. Then save it, reload it. Nice one. Let us give some background on it. So background color should be hashtag hex value 1C11. Then reload. Very well, nice. But our text header is too dark, so let me make the color header to white. Then we go to universal selector and make the font family to Apple system, Blink, whatever. Yes, this is good. And we also want to increase the font size to 30 pixels. Okay, and now let us take care of the text. So we will write here nav ULLI and make it display flex once more. Padding should be 25 pixel. Here also 25 pixel. Oops. wrong alarm. Nef ul, yes, good one. And now nef ulli, let's give it list is style to none, save it, yes, and give some padding on it. Padding should be 1025 pixel, yes, good. And now let's make some style on it. ullia, I'm holding the hyperlink. Color, the first thing we need to do is set the color to white. Text decoration also we're gonna change it to none, so it won't show the underline. And let our font to become bold, so font weight bold, yes, nice. And let me put the background, so body, we are selecting the body and make the background and liner gradient. We're going to create a layer, a dark layer on the top of our background. RGB shall be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.5. Copy it, oops, copy, paste, and put a comma here, type URL, so it will take our file as an image. Make sure it's a valid image. So let me see my file. My image name is spices and the format type is JPG. Is spices.jpg, then end, then save it. Nice, but as you can see, it's repeating. We don't want that, so you should put background, repeat, no repeat, background, position center. Without background repeat, it won't repeat anymore, but as you, it's not looking well. So background, let me get size should be cover and background attachment, we shall fix, yes, nice. Let me change the color of my menu. What color should I give? Let me give crimson, and let me keep the opacity to 0.8 value. This one is looking good, the crimson color is looking good, but our background is too dark, so let me give 3, yes, yeah, this one is good. And now we are going to create 2 buttons in the center position, one header and a paragraph. So let me go to our HTML file and create a section, and inside my section, first thing will be there is our header. So our header, let me type enjoy the spices. You can name it whatever you want. And P, let me put lorem to 15 and shift alt F, sorry, format document, then save it, reload, yes, this one is good. Let me think about the lorem later. So let me remove the paragraph, and let's fix this one. We shall make this enjoy the spices to center. H1 enjoy the spices. Then we create here a container and inside my container I'm gonna put this header. And inside my container I'm gonna put a header. Then we format the document, save it, and nothing will change, but we are going to change it. So go to style.css, type container display flex, display to flex, justify content shall be center, and align items also center. Width we're gonna give 100%, height 50 bh, 50 bh. Okay, nice one. So I want to make my header a little bit more bigger, so I have to select the H1 on container, and font size 30 pixel. Oops. Pixel. And let me darken a little the background one. This one also 5. Default. Yes, good one. And now let me create two buttons. We are going to use hyperlink. The first one shall be subscribe. You can name it whatever you want, and the second one shall be like. Save it, and okay, they are showing the flex one. So let me change the direction to flex direction to column. Yes, column. Let me go there, .btn, and I will insert this hyperlink in btn class. Format the document and go here, .btn. Let the btn show flex. Yes, flex. Put some padding. 25 pixels is good. Oops. Let me design first. So btn, in btn I'm gonna select hyperlink and put a padding 25 pixel. Text decoration none. Color color white. Background color also let me put crimson. Let me check. Nice, good, but our enjoy the spice is too high, so let me give 100. Let me check 101. No, not good. 80, a little close. 70 is enough. Is enough. And now padding, I'm also giving margin, so our hyperlink don't mix up with together. Yes, our height is too much, so let me give 10 pixel. 10 pixel used to do height first, and it will change our height. Let me to font weight, let's give bold, and that's too much, 15 pixel. And now let's give paragraph on the bottom. Paragraph so will lorem lorem 20. Format the document so we can see clearly, and I will add another lorem also 20. Oops, 20. Let me put a space here so I don't go mistake. Press enter. Then format the document and let's check out. Yes, nice. And now let me style it little bit. Dot container. Inside our container, let's select P, paragraph, and the first thing we need to do, font weight, we're going to bold it. Second one, color to white. Third one, text align, center, and let us give weight to 500 pixel. Let me give 800. Let me, I guess this is good enough. Yes, this one is good. So let me give a little hover, so dot btn, let's select A and put a hover. Background color, let me give white and color crimson. Yes, and I'm gonna put a little, like, icon, tree icon here. So first let me attach the file with font awesome. Let me go to W3 Schools and copy this link, Ctrl C, and paste it on my HTML file. I'll paste on the header, Ctrl V, save it, and now I'll create another section, let me give footer. In footer, we're inside our footer, let me create tree icon, fa Facebook. Let me check first. Yes, there's a little tiny icon there, don't worry, we're gonna correct it later. And let me rename the second one to Instagram. Yes, the second one is Instagram, and third one, what should I give? YouTube. And reload our page. Yes, there's 3 tiny icons there, perfectly there. And now let me create a box, and inside our box class there will be this 3 icon, and format the document. The first thing I need to do is footer. There will be displaying flags, background color crimson, weight 100%, save it, nice, and height to 100 ph. Let me check. Oh, too much. Let me give box dot box, padding 25 pixel, and select the box. Inside the box select icon, and color is white. Nice. Font size we're gonna give 50 pixel. Good for, no, that's too large. 40. Oops, accidental light F1. And let me give the height to 50. Height to 50 is still too high. Height to 30. Nope. Height to 10. 20. No, not, still not okay. 15. 60. What on math? Yes, 16 is okay. Padding, what, how about I give 50 pixel? 30 pixel. Nice. Margin right, I'm gonna give 25 pixel. 8, sorry. Let me give margin 20. Not here, here in our icon section. Yes, nice. And cursor, I'll make it pointer, and now I'm gonna cross this footer. And whenever we are going to hover it, let's change the color. So hover and color, so we will put crimson. Yes, nice one. Crimson. And let me put a different on each of the colors. So ID Facebook, Control C, paste it, Control V, paste it, Control V. Instagram, the second one, and the third one, YouTube. Save it. So YouTube, the first one will give YouTube to wait oops, wrong alarm. Let me cross out of this one. Yes, let me copy it, copy, paste. Facebook shall be little blue, and Instagram a little yellow. Yellowish is enough. Yellow green. Blue. Let me go to Instagram. Color. Let me check the color. Save it. I will take this one, Control C, and paste here, Control V. Yes, nice one. And Facebook, let me put blue. hex color, hex RGB, Control C, Control V. Oops, wrong way. And I put it here. Yes, everything is now working nicely, and hope you enjoy it. Make sure to like and subscribe to get more tutorial. Bye.